The world's most expensive disease isn't cancer, it's finding it too late. Every year, healthcare systems spend billions treating advanced lung cancer. Not because treatment is expensive, because we find it too late. What if one routine chest X-ray could quietly change that? Not by replacing clinicians, not by creating new screening programs, simply by helping identify suspicious lung nodules that might otherwise be missed. Our latest Create Budget Impact model asked one question. What happens when AI becomes part of routine care? The answer wasn't just earlier diagnosis, it was something much bigger. But what mattered even more was what we prevented from happening next. Fewer people reaching stage 4 lung cancer. An estimated 25,000 premature deaths could potentially be averted. And healthcare systems reaching cost neutrality within years, not decades. Because the cheapest cancer is the one you never let become stage 4. Earlier detection doesn't just save lives, it changes the economics of healthcare. QureAI.